Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Toyota Prius into maintenance mode. This special setting keeps the gasoline engine running constantly, which is super helpful for tasks like emissions testing, diagnosing engine issues, or simply warming up the engine for an oil change. It's a straightforward process, but remember, never drive your Prius when it's in this mode, as it disables important safety systems. Before we begin, let's get your Prius ready. First, make sure your parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Next, with your foot completely off the brake pedal, press the power button on your dashboard 2 times. This will turn on the car's electrical system, putting it into ignition on or accessory mode, but the ready light should not be illuminated. Now for the activation sequence. While in park, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 2 times. Then, shift the car into neutral and press the accelerator pedal fully 2 times again. Shift back to park and once more, press the accelerator pedal fully 2 times. Finally, with your foot on the brake pedal, press the power button 1 time. You should see a maintenance mode message appear. To exit maintenance mode, simply turn off your vehicle completely. The next time you start your Prius, it will return to normal operation. Don't be alarmed by any warning lights on your dashboard while in maintenance mode. They are typical for this setting. Always ensure you perform this procedure in a well-ventilated area, as the engine will be running continuously, producing exhaust fumes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.